Whoa,
Okay.
whoa, 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 whoa.
Got a nice little dress here.
Whoa, 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 that's scissors. You better have a permit for those scissors.
That was almost running speed. Okay, calm down.
No running in the corridor.
Okay, cool. That was awesome.
That was cool. That was right.
It's
Oh,
like an
big
ancient-
stain.
Whoa.
Where did that come from, though?
Spilled your coffee on that.
That just, okay. Coffee stain.
Or a muffin? I don't know.
Life just happened.
Okay,
All
we're
right.
No blames.
All right, crop
turning
top.
it into a crop top.
All right, cool.
Very stylish.
Get your hairband.
Billie Eilish.
Stylish Billie Eilish.
Cool.
What about the eyelash?
Oh, no!
She cannot skateboard, that's for sure.
It was a nice move.
Yeah.
All right, cutting a bit
Cutting
more.
right down the middle. Okay.
Bam!
What's even the point anymore?
For that?
Okay, tie it together.
Just some.
All for fashion.
That's cool.
There we go.
But I feel like the V-neck isn't gonna stay together for very long. You know.
No, I don't think so as well.
That's a long dress.
That is a long dress. But why is she cutting it? It was perfectly normal.
But because it was long.
Oh, now it's a shorter dress.
Look at that.
But the bottom looks very interesting.
I'm going to grace you with the ball, dear queen. Oh, it's kind of like Marilyn Monroe kind of
I
stuff.
feel like you could do that
Okay.
with a curtain as well.
Guys, let's get a curtain. Let's give it a try.
Are you using your curtains? Yes. I don't care.
All right, we got a jean belt.
Jean belt.
That looks
okay.
that looks a bit weird.
It does
I
look
don't
very
know.
weird. Yeah.
I'm not a fan
about
of
that one.
Okay.
5 out of 10.
Next.
Okay.
All right. Oh.
Wow.
Yeah, that
okay.
This is like a sneaky arm.
I like that a lot. I'm not sure how I feel about the yellow combo, but
Oh, you got a hole in your crotch, girl.
uh-oh.
Oh,
Be careful.
careful.
hate it when that
that's
happens.
dangerous.
Be careful with scissors if
It's
you
like
got
in
it.
school when you accidentally stretch too far and your school trousers just rip.
All right, that's kind of cool.
That's very
Yeah,
cool. I
That's
like that.
Bohemian.
Bohemian Rhapsody.
It's Rhapsody.
Rhapsody. That's not how that goes.
All right, cropped up from a blazer.
Okay.
That's nice.
Very cool. Did her pants just change?
So
What's happening
We
here?
got a crop top. Very
that?
nice. Okay, we're nice.
I like
cool.
what I see.
Okay, anyway. That's really cool.
So
Wow, nice.
Big fan of that.
Hubba.
Oh my gosh, Doc! Get out of here.
okay, I'll go.
Stay. Watch it.
Okay.
All right, she's
what-
ready for the desert.
Is this for the winter, the desert? Yeah, she looks like a what is it? A Force user from Star Wars.
Oh, a Jedi.
A Jedi Knight.
What's going on? Whoa, lady, be careful. She just
How did she
ripped-
rip? How did she just? Why is he laughing?
I don't know.
How do you find that funny? That's just
not
mean.
funny at all.
Don't laugh at her.
What's she gonna do here with all this?
Alas, she has a whole bunch of cloth. we
Oh,
know
they-
where we
they
know
are-
where this is going. We know where this is.
Yeah, they was in a
Boom.
suits shop for all this situation. He
Of
ripped
course.
her
Of course.
t-shirt or whatever is this?
Hey, like camera guy,
course.
turn around.
Whoa, yeah,
Boom.
the public.
Now you have a piece of cloth on you. Congratulations.
So I'm curious how far it can go.
They're giving her a new Mexican look. And they're gonna finish with a sombrero, and she's good to go. Poncho.
It's good to be. It's good to be.
They made the poncho.
I wouldn't
Hey,
surprise.
poncho!
Okay, they found the scissors. They already. Oh, they have second scissors.
What's better than one pair of scissors? Two pairs of scissors.
Yes, and okay. Oh, now they. But how are you gonna?
You gotta be really careful when cutting on something.
So-
Don't nip them.
Now would be really useful that gadget, you know, for
Yes,
sewing.
The sewing gadget.
Yeah,
The one you keep in your
It's-
pocket. It's so small. Boom.
it's
Bish,
like a
bash,
stapler,
bosh. Yeah.
and you can go.
Are they
With
gonna
acid
Are they
piece?
gonna staple her?
I think it's.
Oh no, no.
most
They're
probably.
they're already cutting the.
Yes,
They
but-
should have left the kind of geisha sways. Like the Japanese really long sleeves and stuff.
Maybe now it's kind of too short, and now what they gonna do? They gonna.
What are you doing, man? What are you doing? It's so close to her as well, to her hands.
I guess they just wanna make regular T-shirt, like.
Well, they definitely need to go back to regular T-shirt school. It is a staple.
Yeah,
Oh man, this is
But-
painful.
not that.
If you use magnet fishing on her, you probably catch her from all the metal in her shirt.
Yeah, good.
It's not bad. It's physics. Get out of here. Physics. It's physics.
Physics. I mean, no, it's not how it's gonna
Magnets attract
But
metal.
okay, let's say they're on this distance.
Yeah.
Some couple of these metal things.
Yeah.
The power of the magnet wouldn't be enough.
Pretty sure if you throw the magnet, at
Yeah.
her, it's gonna stick to her. It's gonna stick to the dog. We have to test it.
Now I got why we're not filming reaction together.
Shenanigans hashtag. Oh gosh.
Okay, they.
You know what can I say? It's cute.
It's
It's
fine.
cute.
It's fine.
It's metal. Every time she goes to the airport, they'll say, "Miss, can you come again?" Yeah, I have everything out. Yeah, can you go again? All right, another one. Obviously, they're wearing the same things. All right, these girlfriends really need to like call each other before they go out because this is starting to get too much. Again, she's cutting it off. What's she gonna do this time? All right, we got a bit of a V-neck going. Okay, there we go. It's already different. What more? Oh, she's gonna cut the sleeves off. Okay, so we got a V-neck and no sleeve. Oh, there's just a little cut on the sleeve. No, she's going full in there. She's using the scissors wrong. They're upside down. The thumb's supposed to go in the other side. Someone needs to teach them how to use scissors. Maybe you'll make their life more practical. Okay, cut the sleeves. Dangling sleeves. Ah, they're gonna tie them. All right, that's much neater. Little bow. Cutting off all that circulation. Why not? Okay. Cute little bows. There we go. Completely different already. V-neck and rolled up bow sleeves. What is she doing now? She's cutting the midsection of the dress. And she's helping her and still using the scissors wrong. I'm speechless. We're doing a full 360 cut. Okay. Bit of a struggle, but it's okay. We've cut through. What now? Now we roll it up, yet again, and probably use the hairband as a belt. Am I correct? Or am I wrong? Well, that looks kind of cute. You got a bit more legs, completely different to the other. It's nice, and there we go, I called it. We're using the hairband as a belt to pop that color in the midsection. Very nice. They should write about this in Elle magazine. Oh, we gotta fix the top. Ah, okay. A hairband into a little scrunch. Look at that. Wow. I am pleasantly surprised. She looks good. She looks very good. Nice. She forgot the scissors, which she can't use. All right, what do we have here? It's my grandma's scarf. You're dressed as your grandma. Why would you do that? All right. We need to do something. What are we gonna do? Let's get some scissors. Let's see if she uses them correct. Yes, finally. The thumb goes into the thumb hole of the scissors. Good job. Okay. Cutting the sleeves off. Why not? It is a nice, beautiful summer day. So we need some ventilation in there. Okay. It's my grandma's dress. What are you doing? You know what, honey? We're making it better. Okay, the other one. Come on, get on with it. Chop, chop. Hold the front part. I don't want everything to be out. Nothing's gonna be out. It's gonna be full conservative, but we're making a little twist on your grandma's dress. Okay. Really taking her time on those sleeves, isn't she? Okay. So now it's strapless. She's putting it around the jewelry to get that little support. Okay, and using a hairband, a hair clip. That's actually really smart. Okay, wow. Not bad, not bad at all. Nice. What a transformation, I gotta give you that. And she's making it shorter. There we go. It ain't your grandma's dress no more. That's for sure. Boom, and that's how it's done. Oh, you gotta tuck in the back bit. All right. Look at that. What a transformation. It really worked. And now she's getting a little side slit. No, stop. That's enough. Perfect. Wow. Kind of reminds me of Wilma from the Flintstones. Why is she cutting the bag? That wasn't part of the deal. Because that bag's not her grandma's, that's her bag. Huh. I guess it's like a clutch bag now. You can't put it over your shoulder. I mean, do we really need that string around the torso? Am I ready? Oh, she took the glasses off. Now she can't see. Why would you take your glasses off? She looked perfectly fine with the glasses. Oh, gosh. All right, look at that. What a transformation. Bish, bash, bosh, and she's a different person. You look amazing. Why, thank you, darling.